Chart a new path to exciting drone careers with Drone Pathways, Foundations of Flight Operations. Transform your CTE classroom into a dynamic aviation hub. Designed for grades 10 through 12, learners master hands-on UAV assembly and real-world flight through our expert 3-phase scaffolding. Operating in professional flight crews, learners master crew resource management. They engage in problem-solving and collaboration as they cycle through roles to build, practice on the flight simulator, and fly real drones. Drone Pathways comes with 20 45-minute standards-aligned lessons that provide a turnkey solution for educators in CTE settings. Because the Flex UAV drone is fully modular and requires absolutely no soldering, it can be assembled and reassembled, making it highly reusable with each new group of learners. Learners also prepare for and complete the FAA Trust Test and can take their skills even further with our optional Part 107 Test Prep add-on, building real, career-ready credentials in one of today's fastest-growing fields. The curriculum is aligned to CTE standards across multiple states, ensuring learners gain skills directly applicable to high-demand drone careers. Now, let's unpack the Drone Pathways materials. The number of boxes depends on the kit you purchase. Inside the boxes, you'll find the instructor guide, which is a comprehensive resource that makes it easy for educators to prepare for each lesson. Within the instructor guide, you will also find a digital resource license key, which grants access to all of the digital resources that come with the program. These include digital copies of the curriculum, accompanied slides, instructor onboarding resources, assembly instructions, and the Flex UAV flight simulator. The box also contains printed pilot logs. To keep everything powered, we've included a surge protector and all necessary connection cables, a cell checker, a battery killer to assist with safe LiPo battery disposal, safety glasses, simulator controllers, lithium polymer batteries, ISDT air tube battery chargers for safe powering, battery safe bags for charging and storing your power supplies. For drone assembly and maintenance, the kit includes 2 different sets of Flex UAV propellers, the 7-inch 3-blade set and the 7-inch 2-blade set. You will also find a nut driver and a hex driver for assembly. You'll also find a dedicated Radio Master pocket radio controller for the instructor. Finally, you'll receive your Flex UAV drone kits, each housed in a convenient backpack. Inside each backpack is the student radio controller, the Flex UAV drone, and a bag containing the landing gear. In addition to those items, there are sockets, screws, standoffs, motor base plates, and the motors themselves. Educators will simply need to provide one internet-connected Chromebook, Windows, or Mac device per learner. This device will be used to access the assembly plans and the Flex UAV flight simulator. For more information about this career-focused program, visit adventures.com or give us a call to connect with a STEM program expert. Launch your learners into the future of flight with Drone Pathways, Foundations of Flight Operations.